With 1.5K displays becoming more common these days, is there still a place for true 2K screens in the smartphone market? Hey everyone, today we're checking out the iQOO 15T, a device that stands out as the only phone in its price segment to feature a genuine 2K display.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The version we have here comes in the Azure Cloud color option. Just like the name suggests, the design gives off a feeling of floating above the clouds. The back panel has a layered visual effect that almost looks like an artistic landscape painting. Combined with the slightly frosted glass finish and matte aluminum alloy frame, the phone feels smooth, lightweight, and premium in the hand. It's also resistant to fingerprints and offers a solid grip, even during long gaming sessions. Overall, the build quality definitely feels worthy of a flagship device. The camera module also follows the same futuristic capsule-inspired design language seen on the iQOO 15 Ultra. The upper lens placement and floating lens structure inside the module create a strong three-dimensional look, making the camera setup appear modern and visually striking. Now let's move on to the star of the show, this exclusive 2K 144Hz Everest display. iQOO clearly went all in on bringing 2K screens to more users without cutting corners. When the screen is off, it uses advanced 8T LTPO technology and supports a full-screen always-on display with customizable wallpapers. Once powered on, you're looking at a massive 6.82-inch flat display with an ultra-sharp 510 ppi pixel density and an impressive global peak brightness of 1800 nits. Not only does it deliver an extremely high refresh rate, but the large screen size also makes gaming and media consumption far more immersive. To take gaming even further, this display is paired with an ultra-responsive touch chip that supports up to 4000 Hz instant touch sampling rate, along with 300 Hz multi-finger touch sampling rate. And for serious gamers, the iQOO 15T also includes the self-developed Q3 gaming chip, bringing graphics performance close to what you'd expect from a PC GPU and unlocking the full power of this 2K 144Hz display. In simple terms, the phone supports self-developed full-scene ray tracing, 2K super resolution, and up to 144 FPS frame interpolation. What's even crazier is that it can run 2K resolution and 144 FPS simultaneously. That's seriously impressive. Let's see how the ray tracing looks in Genshin Impact. After enabling the feature in game mode, you can clearly notice realistic lighting reflections coming through the doorway and bouncing naturally onto the floor. As the character moves, the reflections shift dynamically, creating a much more lifelike visual experience. Next, we tried the 2K Super Resolution feature. This technology enhances texture details in real time across the entire game environment. Taking Genshin Impact again as an example, once Super Resolution is activated, character hair details become noticeably sharper, and building structures appear much clearer. The entire game world feels more immersive as a result. When it comes to combining Super Resolution with high frame rates, the iQOO 15T is actually the first in the industry to support simultaneous 2K 144Hz Super Resolution and Super Frame gaming. We first enabled the highest resolution setting along with 90 FPS in the game's graphics menu. After entering gameplay, we opened the game assistant and activated Ultimate Resolution mode, which automatically turned on frame interpolation as well. During intense team battles, the improvement was obvious. The sharper visuals and smoother camera movement made gameplay feel significantly more fluid and immersive. The combination of 2K resolution and 144 FPS really takes the gaming experience to another level. And since we're already talking about gaming, performance is naturally the next thing we need to discuss.
The iQOO 15T is powered by the Dimensity 9500 Monster Edition chipset, which comes with a next-generation Monster Overcore engine integrated directly into the chip's lower-level architecture. Compared to the standard Dimensity 9500, this Monster Edition delivers noticeably better frame stability while also keeping power consumption lower. Now let's jump into the real-world performance tests. In a testing environment with a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and screen brightness set to 200 nits, we started with a 30-minute 5v5 ranked match in Honor of Kings. Excluding the matchmaking time, the iQOO 15T maintained an impressive average frame rate of 144.5 FPS during the entire session. Average power consumption came in at just 4.19 watts, while the battery dropped only 6% overall. So not only does it achieve ultra-high frame rates, but it also keeps efficiency under control. What's even more impressive is the 1% low frame rate result of 118 FPS, which is actually higher than the average FPS performance of some regular smartphones. Next, we moved on to Genshin Impact testing.
Using the same environment and running through the virtual city map with the dual-win resonance setup, the phone achieved an average frame rate of 60.3 FPS over 30 minutes. Average power consumption was only 4.05 watts, and battery usage totaled just 7%. Another standout detail here is the 1% low frame rate, which reached an impressive 59.2 FPS in the virtual city test. The Dimensity 9500 Monster Edition really shows its strength in demanding games. Now that we've covered performance, let's talk about battery life and charging speeds. The iQOO 15T packs the largest ultra-thin 8,000 mAh Blue Ocean battery ever used in an iQOO flagship device. During our battery testing, the phone handled 3 hours of daily app usage combined with 2 hours of gaming, consuming only 40% battery across a total of 5 hours. Based on those results, even with medium to heavy usage, the iQOO 15T can comfortably deliver more than 10 hours of screen on time. For charging, the phone supports 100-watt super-fast flash charging. In our test, it reached 59% in just 30 minutes and fully charged from 0 to 100% in only 58 minutes. Considering the massive 8,000 mAh battery inside, that charging speed is seriously impressive. Finally, let's take a quick look at the camera setup on the iQOO 15T. The main camera uses a 23mm focal length paired with a massive 200-megapixel 1.56-inch sensor, allowing up to 4x lossless zoom. Whether shooting at 46mm or even 92mm focal lengths, image quality remains very solid. That's the advantage of a high-resolution 200-megapixel sensor. One camera can effectively cover both wide and telephoto shooting needs. As for pricing, the base version of the iQOO 15T starts at 37.99 yuan in China, which is roughly £416 in the UK and around $558 US. So to quickly wrap things up, the iQOO 15T brings a rare 2K 140Hz display to this price segment, powered by the Dimensity 9500 Monster Edition, along with the iQOO Q3 gaming chip. It supports advanced features like 2K 144 FPS super resolution, super frame technology, and even ray tracing, fully maximizing the capabilities of this top-tier display. Bringing together true 2K visuals and flagship-level performance at a more accessible price is exactly what makes the iQOO 15T stand out. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!